Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, more pressure washer troubles, guys. It decided it wanted to lift the head up again. Lift the head off of it right here, this one. And that one wasn't much better. So what I decided to do, ain't got a ton of money right now. This COVID thing, no work. But I have a helicoil set left over from 20 years ago. Yeah, 20 years ago roughly. Yeah, I was working on a little Hyundai XL, and I got these at CarQuest when there was one here, and they're M8. They're 8 by 1.25 pitch, and I had some left, which I still have some left, but I thought I'd make use of them, and I had the tap that goes with it, and I didn't have a tap wrench that it would clear the deck, so I just used a pair of vice grips. I figured if it's gonna work, it'll work. If it won't, it won't. But I'm putting the last helicoil in now, and I drilled it. It said to use a 21/64, and I did, and I tapped it with the proper tap. Came with that set. I didn't even know if I had this set. I remembered having it, but I didn't know where I put it. Well, I went and looked where I thought it would be, and that's where it was, in the drill and taps from, they're just miscellaneous old stuff, but I kept this set because it was still good, and I'm glad I did now. So now we got helicoils in all 4 corners, steel threads. Alright, so I'm going to cut me up a gasket, and I'm going to put this pump B back together and put some oil in it. That oil was janky anyways, needed to be changed. Cleaned that all out. We'll see if it works. Alright, so I'll bring you back. Whether it's a yay or a nay, I'll bring you back. Hang on. It worked. Worked out good, guys. I'll show you. And we didn't have to spend anything on it. All we did was we took those bolts and the ones that are originally in it, and I took a die, and I think they were 5/16. I don't remember. I'm not going to quote what they were because I don't know. And I just took a die and rethreaded them M8. And I couldn't find any gasket material, and I didn't feel like cutting a gasket, so all this is between here, it sandwiches up just to hold the oil in. So what I did is just put some gasola in it. Gasoila, whatever they call that stuff. This is good stuff. Yeah, I like it. Worked good. I overfilled it on oil, but then we somewhere around here lost a bolt. So I had an M8 that was a little too long, and I put a nut on the inside of it, threaded it in there, and those things are tight. That head is on there. And I got no leaks, and it works. So, amen. We got it again. This time I decided, because is it this hole? And I think it was this hole. Yeah, it was stripped. Plumb stripped out. So I just decided to do all 4 of them. And it works. And them things are tight now. I used a 1/2 inch ratchet and tightened them up, and they are tight on there. So we got it. Thanks for joining me once again on this thing. We saved it once again, so it's on its 3rd life. Original life the last time we fixed it, and now it's again. I'll keep putting it together till it blows. Take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.